How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, you want to navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile page right here, you will see that there's a on top of your screen on the right, there's kind of a 2 feet icon or a trail icon. Click on it. Once you do that, you will land on the profile views section on TikTok, which is the feature and option that we will be using to know and see who viewed and visited our profile. As you can see here, TikTok kind of gives you some informations on this feature. It says that other people can see that you viewed their profiles in the last 30 days. So this feature works on a 30-day period and it works both ways. So you can see who viewed your profile and others can see that you have visited their profile. It also says that only you can see who viewed your profile. So this is works privately, so only you get to see who viewed and visited your profile. And only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. So in order for this feature to work, other people need also to turn on this feature on their account, and as I said previously, it only works in 30-day period, and it says that you can turn this off at any time. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Now once this feature has been turned on, you will be able to see who visited your profile in the last 30 days, requiring that they have activated this feature too in their account. So if someone, for example, turned off this feature and did not activate it on their account and visited your profile, you will not be able to see it. And if someone has visited your profile and 30 days has been passed, then it will not show up right here. And as you can see, TikTok says here that people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days will appear here. Only you can see this. Now let's go back to our profile page. Now if you cannot access or cannot see the two trails icon at the top right corner of the screen, then you can access this feature another way. Just click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, and from the account section click on privacy, and then scroll down to the interactions section, and from there click on profile views, and also here you get to turn it on. As you can see right here, just turn it on and it works the same ways. So let's recap. In this feature right here, you will see everyone who visited your profile in the last 30 days, providing that they have activated this feature on their account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see who visited your profile on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next